we guide you through how to find Google two-step verification backup codes on iPhone or Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to your Google account page at myaccount.google.com, then tap security from the menu and scroll down to two steps verification. You may need to sign in again to continue. Once inside, look for the section labeled backup codes and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of 8-digit codes that you can use if you don't have access to your phone. If you don't see any codes, simply tap Get Backup Codes or Generate, and Google will instantly create a new set for you. Make sure to screenshot them or download and store them somewhere safe like a password manager or notes app, because each code can only be used once. If your codes were exposed or already used, you can tap Regenerate to create a fresh set and automatically disable the old ones. Always keep these codes private and accessible offline so you can still log in even without your device.